So this was just another dive of mine down at the fish bowl at St. Martin. And on this dive, I actually came across a couple of stingrays that were acting really odd. And they caught my attention, so I filmed them for a while. And on this video I was using my backscatter wide angle lens, and I was shooting it at 5.3K resolution and 60 frames per second. But you can see these guys here, I've never actually come across two stingrays like this kind of behaving this way. What I found really strange was it seemed like the smaller stingray was being the dominant ray and kind of like driving off this larger stingray. But, you know, you never know what you're going to see when you dive. I was actually wondering if this is some kind of mating behavior that they're showing. I don't know. If any of you all know, please leave some comments down below and tell me what you think they were doing. Anyway, it's kind of nice to see stingrays. I don't get to see them that often while I'm diving, but it's always cool to watch them. I think watching the way they swim through the water, the way they kind of glide, it's really cool. I enjoy watching them. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share it. And thanks for watching again. See ya. Gotta go. Bye.